Wow, this is such a nice view from here.
Who takes someone to a chain restaurant that looks like this? When you take out a beautiful woman and you're courting her. This poor guy, honestly. You see, Mikey Choi is the best YouTuber because he's the best vlogger. And we should all follow him on Instagram. It's at the Mikey Choi. And like all of his posts and subscribe to his channel, Mikey Choi. And like all of his videos. And yeah, he's awesome, amazing, epic, and fun.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Mikey Choi and welcome back to another vlog.
No! God, please, no! No!
Yes, today's episode, I will be going to downtown Philadelphia. And of course, you guys are coming with me. I'm going to the Cheesecake Factory, maybe buy some Pokemon cards and just hang out. Before I get this show on the road, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it. And please follow me on Instagram. It's at the Mikey Choi. All right, come on, let's go, guys. And, okay, this is getting old, but I am still sadly sick. But that's not going to stop me from making a video. And it's a really nice day. All right, for real though, let's get the show on the road. All right, guys, I'm at the train station right now. And, okay, the train is coming, so. Well, guys, I am finally in Center City, and it's been a while. It feels very refreshing. Oh, the reason why I'm going to the Cheesecake Factory, specifically in Philly, because, like, I mean, I planned to go last year, but things have changed, and yeah, of course, you guys are coming with me, and, well, better late than never. I know some of you may ask, like, Mikey, how come you didn't do it earlier? Well, I just don't feel like doing it. Well, I am finally here. It's been like almost like 2 years, I think. Yeah, whew, it's been a while. And I think this is a better Cheesecake Factory than the one near my area. Yep, got myself a Coke Zero, yes sir. I mean Diet Coke, I mean. You know, like usually, like whenever I go to this Cheesecake Factory, like I always sit by the window, but this time I guess just here. Oh, I ate some delicious breadsticks. Damn, this iPhone camera is really good. I am now walking down the stairs. That was the best Cheesecake Factory I ever went to. My God, like they're like nicer people. And that waiter was so happy when I gave him a tip. All right, and now I suppose we just hang out in the city. I only give tip to those who actually earn them. So yeah. Alrighty, guys, I am walking across this bridge. Oh, it's my favorite bridge from this state. Oh, I love it. You know, I love walking across this bridge. It is really the vibes. Yeah, listening to some music, but not now because I'm trying to make a vlog, you know. I really want to do YouTube full time, really. Get me to 400 subscribers, please. Tell your friends, your families, your partners, and your haters and your enemies. Man, there are so many people here. No, I really do love this bridge, though. Well, I'm getting a little better with the sickness, so that's something. Yeah. So with the job updates, I think I'm just gonna stay at the gas station job just one more month. I'm including this month, so I'll see what things look like right now, and I'll try to apply jobs again like next month. Yeah, hopefully I get a new job this summer. Yeah, it's been rough. And well, it's been a month since I've been sick. Yeah, this was a pretty shitty spring, but at least today's a nice day, and I'm making a new vlog, and I'll maybe post a new Instagram post. Is that the Mikey Choi? Follow me. Yeah. So back to what I was saying. So yeah, how's everyone doing today? Ate some good Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, I gave that waiter a good tip. Yeah, he was so happy though. Only give tips to those who earn them. Whoa, if you don't know, I have been replaying the Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, Let's Go Eevee. I have a way better team this time and more shiny Pokemon. In my Let's Go Pikachu team, I have Pikachu, Blastoise, Snorlax, Aerodactyl, and Pidgeot. And in my Let's Go Eevee team, I have Eevee, Beedrill, Venusaur, Kangaskhan, Pinsir, and Slowbro. Yeah, way better teams this time. Seaside by the seashore. More like Cheesecake by Philadelphia. Man, I am such a fatty. Not gonna lie, it actually does feel refreshing to revisit Philly after like a year. It feels like I'm in like the ruined DLC for Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. I might play that game on my Switch Lite. You know, it actually does feel good to walk by yourself listening to music and enjoying the scenery. It's like a free therapy session. Yeah, gonna listen to some, these people are looking at me. Alright, I'm just gonna listen to some more K-pop. Yeah, check it out.
새벽이 찾아와 밤에 명암은 더욱
Friends of Goyokel Banks. But I don't have any friends, and I wish I do. I mean, yeah, I kind of feel lonely right now. There's like a lot of people here. Also, get this, like these two girls pass by and like they'd be like, what is this guy doing? Well, I'm just making a vlog, okay? Like I'm an aspiring YouTuber, of course, and you're gonna see that I'm gonna be a famous YouTuber one day. And you're gonna follow me on Instagram at the Mikey Choi and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mikey Choi. Wow, this is such a nice view from here. Yeah, you guys, check this out.
깊어져만 가네 내 바람은
So right now I'm sitting on a bench, and yeah, there's like a lot of people here, and yeah, just relaxing, and I just went to the bathroom. I just visited 30th Street Station, and sadly all the nearby bathrooms are locked. So yeah. Well, that's not gonna stop me from making this epic vlog. I know I have not been talking a lot recently, but there's like a lot of people. I'm just nervous, you know. Look at this piece of log or tree stump, whatever. Such a nice view. You know, it actually feels good to like revisit, like, you know, some big city you haven't been in a while. You know what I mean? It just feels good. Feels good to ride on the train, and yeah. You know, I was thinking, just maybe I would think that my first car would be like a 2010 or 2011 Honda Civic. I mean, it's not a bad car. I mean, I've seen a lot of people use it, but I don't have the money to do so. Like, whenever like I record myself, all these people are looking at me like, what the fuck is this guy doing? I'm just making a vlog, don't worry. Just gonna be your favorite YouTube vlogger. So I've been playing both Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, and I caught Primarian the Unrivaled, one of my favorite starters, and yeah, I was happy with it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, but this is a really nice view, check this out.
그리 크지 않아 단지 조용히 하루를 정리하고 싶을 뿐
Well, I hope you guys had fun with me in Philadelphia. I don't know if I will ever make another Philly vlog. because after this, I don't feel like making more Philadelphia vlogs. Yeah, it's just not my cup of tea anymore. Wait, check this out, check this out. Look at all these people. I bet they're watching my YouTube videos right now. Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mikey Choi, and follow me on Instagram at the Mikey Choi. That goes for you too, guys. Watch my YouTube videos, Mikey Choi. Follow me on Instagram at the Mikey Choi. Yeah, they're all gonna watch my vlog. Man, I can't wait. Man, I am going to get so many bitches. Damn it. So, yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you all for watching. To my long-term fans, I bet you guys felt, nostalgic of me revisiting Philadelphia because I made several Philadelphia vlogs in the past. And, yeah, actually, this is going to be the only Philadelphia vlog this year because, I'm trying to save money for student loans and, I'm trying to look for a new job. So, yeah, the struggle is real. And really, though, I want to be a YouTuber full-time one day. Thank you all for watching. Let's get to 400 subscribers. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to me for more videos. Please follow me on Instagram at the Mikey Choi. I don't know when the next vlog will be releasing. Like I said, let me develop some ideas first. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now, I'm working on my final animation. And I maybe do a mukbang video. So, yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
그난 샤워와 내 기타 소리